Hello and welcome. In this tutorial, we'll explore the Restaurant Basic POS Mode in Vitepos. The Restaurant Basic Mode allows the cashier to manage table-wise orders directly from the POS panel. You can easily assign orders to specific tables, print kitchen slips instantly, and complete checkouts, all from a single interface. Everything can be done seamlessly within the POS, without a separate kitchen panel. If you're new here, please subscribe to our channel. And if you've already subscribed, thank you for being a part of our community. Let's move on. Here, you'll see two options. The first one is Add Item to an existing order. Enable this option to allow adding new items to an existing order. Once added, sending the updated order to the kitchen will be the responsibility of the cashier who made the addition. The second option is Remove Item from an existing order. Enable this option to allow removing items from an existing order. Once removed, updating the kitchen will be the responsibility of the cashier who made the change. For this tutorial, we'll enable both options and save the settings. Now, let's move to the Restaurant Basic POS panel. Here, you'll see a message saying no table found. Since this is our first time setting it up, we'll add a table. You can create a table directly from here or from the table module. To create one, click the Add Table button. You can create tables for both dine-in and parcel service types. In this example, we'll create a dine-in table. Enter the table title and seat capacity, and optionally assign a waiter. You can also add a description and a table image. After filling in the details, click Add. We've successfully created a table. Next, click the Add New Order icon. Select a waiter, choose the number of guests, and click Create Order. For this example, we'll select a few items and place the order. As you can see, the order status is now processing, indicating it's active. For any active order, you can easily print a kitchen slip from here. Simply click the Print Receipt button from the processed order. Or print the kitchen slip directly from the table's active order. Go to the table, select the active order, and click the Print Kitchen Slip button. Then, set your print preferences and print the kitchen receipt for that order. Now, let's see how to update an existing order. Click Update Order, select a new item, and update the order. To remove an item, again click Update Order, deselect an item, and save the changes. Once the items are processed and served, it's time to check out. Click Checkout, select a payment method, and complete the order. You'll now see the order status is completed. And that's it. With Restaurant Basic Mode, a cashier can efficiently manage and complete orders directly from the POS without needing a separate kitchen environment. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and share for more updates. See you in the next video.